we finished the problem 2 of 7.2 and we are doing problem 3. That is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10, 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. So coordinates of a point which is dividing the given straight line is given. That means you don't need to find out the coordinates of a point, but you have to find out in which ratio it is dividing a given straight line. That means the endpoints of the straight line will be given. So here, let us take it as A and B. A is minus 3, 10. B is 6 minus 8. And a point P is there. And it is minus 1 and 6. Now you need to find out M1 and M2. That is not given. What is unknown is M1 and M2. So, A is what? X1, Y1 will take. B is X2, Y2. So, X1 clearly you write the data so that you won't go wrong. Y1 is 10. X2 is 6. 6 only? 6. Y2 is minus 8. So, M1 is question mark, M2 is question mark. You have to find out. What is Px? Px is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. That is, Px is, M1 is how much? M1 is not known. M1, you need not find out Px and Py. With Px only you will find out the ratio. Don't try to work out Px and Py. 1 is enough. With that only you will find out M1 by M2, the ratio. So, that is easiest method. Don't find out Py also. M1 is not known and x2 is 6 plus M2. M2 is not known. Still you have to find out y1, x1 minus 3 by M1 plus M2 is equal to minus 1. It is given here. So you do cross multiplication. 6M1 plus minus 3M2 is equal to minus 1 into M1 plus M2. Minus M1 minus M2. So get M1 to this side. 6M1 plus M1. 6M1 plus M1 is equal to plus 3M2. This minus is taken that side. Plus M2 minus M2. 2M2. Get M2 here, take M1 there. 7M1 is equal to 2M2. So M1 by M2 is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, ratio is equal to 2:7. See, always this problem you may get for short questions only. Therefore, don't find out Px1, Py2 and then try to find out the ratio and all. That is not necessary. With one coordinate only we will get the value. That is M1 by M2. You understand? So what I did is, Px I found out with unknowns M1 and M2 and its value minus 1. And we have taken M1, M2 that side, then equated and got M1 is to M2.